It's good, no? Yeah. If Sunday
Good
still,
suggestion.
still have buffet every Sunday.
Oh, yeah, it's coming. The Indian guy is coming.
No. Every Sunday still have buffet, sushi. You have
He
now?
will stop like this.
Because before we came here before. You
This is like that. Yeah. No, you know that one is.
have now? Why?
This is wasabi, yeah?
Yeah.
One-
She likes wasabi.
Yeah, one guy came and maybe he eat first time sushi. He eat whole wasabi at one time. Then he's dancing.
In here.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Ganun.
Light,